How to knit the perforated lace stitch, English style. For this tutorial, you will need a pair of knitting needles. Special thanks to our sponsor Crochet for providing today's needles. Today we are using their Addi Natura double pointed needles in size 8. And a ball of yarn. Special thanks to our sponsor Lion Brand for providing today's yarn. Today we are using their Jamie line in the color Sunshine. For this stitch you will need to know the following techniques. Knit, purl, knit 2 together, yarn over. To begin this stitch you must cast on in multiples of 3 plus 1. Now for this pattern I've used a selvage stitch just to give it a nice clean edge, but I'm not going to include that in the pattern. Row 1. We're going to begin our repeat by knitting 1. Then we're going to yarn over and we're going to knit 2 together. So we're going to repeat the knit 1, yarn over, and knit 2 together until the end of the row. Row 2. We're going to begin by purling 1. Then we're going to start our repeat by purling 1. Then we're going to knit 1, which is going to be knitting that yarn over. And then we'll finish our repeat by purling 1. So we're going to repeat the purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 until the end of the row. Row 3. We're going to begin our repeat by knitting 1. Then we're going to knit 2 together and then yarn over. So we'll continue the knit 1, knit 2 together and yarn over until the end of the row and we reach our last stitch. When we reach the last stitch in our row, we're going to knit 1. Row 4, we're going to begin by purling 1. Then we'll start our repeat by knitting 1, which will be the yarn over. And then we're going to finish our repeat by purling 2. So we'll continue repeating that sequence until the end of the row. Repeat rows 1 through 4 until you have reached your desired length. And that's how you knit the perforated lace stitch. After a few repeats, your pattern should look like this. Want more New Stitch a Day? Check out our website at newstitchaday.com. New Stitch a Day is a Craftery Media production. This video is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution No Derivatives 3.0 Unported license, which means use it on your website, put it in your patterns, but please don't change anything.